Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you a single code which you should use in your downloader app to get loads of applications for your Firestick. There are all kinds of apps, movie applications, TV shows, live TV channels, games, web browsers, and even adult apps. All that can be accessed for free with just one code in your downloader. I just had to blur out my screen here because YouTube basically doesn't allow me to show you the exact applications available there, but trust me, you are going to like it. So now let me show you how to easily set that up for you. First of all, you have to get an app called Downloader. You can actually get it for free from the official Amazon App Store. Just go to search on your device, there it is, open it, and here in the search bar, start typing Downloader. Now, as you can see, Downloader already popped out for us at the bottom, so we click on it, and that's the app which you need to get to your device. However, after you get Downloader, it's not over yet. We still have to set it up. So to set up Downloader, we gotta go to Settings. Let's do it right now. Click on that button with the gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it. Here you will have to enable developer options on your device. However, on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new ones, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case, do not worry, it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times, and do it fast, so let's do it. As you can see, now at the bottom for me it says no need, you are already developer. That's in my case, and in your case it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which just appeared right here. So open them, make sure to enable ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps. From here, locate Downloader and turn that option on. So what it does is going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally let's go to the list of apps on your device. There it is, open it, and here you'll find Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast, we got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say we'll connect to Canada right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means nobody can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're using this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on your screen right now with the camera of your phone. It works the same way and it's also going to give you the same amazing deal. And now finally let's use Downloader safely. So we got to open the Downloader application. It will be in the list of our apps. Here it is. Open it. On the left side menu, make sure to click on Home and not on Browser. So once again, make sure to click on Home, and there in that bar we got to enter a link. The link is going to be applink.store, so let's enter it together. So once again, it's going to be applink.store. So here's the link, you can see it on your screen right now. Make sure to enter it exactly as you see and do not make any mistakes, because obviously if you make any mistake, your link is not going to work. After that, we click on Go, and while the website is loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you could get even more content about Firesticks, as well as please hit the like button if you find this video helpful. It truly makes a huge difference for us. And now finally, let's click on Download App Linked button right here. And in a couple of moments, the download is going to start. Usually that doesn't take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. After that, we have to click on install and wait until AppLink gets installed to your device. And there, don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way we'll be able to delete the installation file, as we don't really need it anymore on our device. So we click on delete and then delete once again. This way we get rid of unnecessary installation files and save you some free space on your device. Now finally go to the list of apps on your device, scroll down, and here at the bottom you'll find App Linked. That's the app we just downloaded. But before actually using App Linked, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. Click on the Options button on your remote, that's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Then click on Move to Front, and this way App Linked application is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be really easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble. And now one really important detail that I almost forgot. We also have to go to settings one more time, so select that button with the gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV once again. Here we previously enabled the developer options, so we need to open them, go to install unknown apps. From here, locate App Linked and make sure that this option is turned on. It's a must because we'll be using App Linked to download other applications from the internet, so that's the reason why this option has to stay on. After that, finally, go to the list of apps on your device, there it is, open it. Then we can finally safely open App Linked. When the app opens, just scroll down a bit, and here you'll find app categories such as utilities, live streaming, movies and TV shows, sports, verified apps, and games. So let's start with utilities. Here I had to blur out my screen because YouTube doesn't allow me to show you the exact applications available inside. And here you'll find all kinds of utility applications such as web browsers, remote access applications, file managers, internet speed testers, and stuff like that. And now let's go back and take a look at other categories, such as live streaming, for example. So here you'll find everything live TV or IPTV related, such as apps with live TV or different IPTV players, which can be used on your Firestick or Android TV, depending on what kind of device you are using. So there's plenty of apps for you to choose from. Then we can take a look at movies and TV shows right here. So there you'll find a lot of new and old but updated applications which you can use to watch all kinds of movies on your Fire Stick as well as TV shows. There are a lot of different applications which got great new content inside. So if you are into movies, that's the best category for you, so definitely check it out. Then of course there's a sports category which will basically have everything sports related inside, such as live sports channels, sports applications, live score applications, IPTV players, and so on. And lastly, let's take a look at the games. So your Fire Stick is definitely not the best device for gaming, but still it is possible to connect a Bluetooth controller to your Fire Stick and use it to play simple games. So there you'll find some games that can be run on your device. And that's it, hope you enjoyed the video and see you next time. Bye bye.